Welcome inside the world's largest and busiest railway station, Howrah Junction in India.
Every day, more than 1.5 million passengers pass through these platforms, making it the busiest station on Earth. Over 1,000 trains arrive and depart daily from 23 platforms, running 24 hours without stopping. Behind the scenes, hundreds of staff work non-stop to manage this massive network safely. Red-shirted porters carry hundreds of kilograms of luggage every day, helping passengers navigate this giant station. Located on the banks of the Googly River, this historic station has been serving India since 1854.
चाय गरम चाय एक चाय और
बिरयानी फ्रेश आइए
देना एक प्लेट
Even at midnight, the station remains alive with thousands of passengers waiting for their trains. Behind the visible chaos, thousands of workers keep this giant machine running smoothly every single day.
Every second counts here. Missing a train can mean waiting for hours or even days.
I'm so happy to see you all.
We missed you so much.
It's good to be back.
Beyond the noise and rush, this station is also a place of joy, tears, and countless life stories. From a small station in 1854 to the world's largest, Howrah Junction continues to connect millions of lives every single day.